Hey, what is up guys? So today is a very wet day. It's been raining since yesterday. The internet just disconnected. Yes, I'm using ADSL, so when it's raining, when there's storm, the internet normally shuts down. Hey guys, it's PMHK obviously, and I wanted to show you guys the internet that I'm using now. That's why I was actually looking at the previous video that I did, Fibre in Johannesburg. Back then I was using ADSL and I always had problems with the internet because it used to cut left, right and center. But now since I'm using Fibre, I wanted to show you guys the speeds that I'm now experiencing on the Fibre connection. So the package that I have is 100 megs up and 100 megs down, and the reason I went with this package is because I have to upload big files. Sometimes I upload 3 gig files, 4 gig, 5 gig files, and I need fast internet for me to be able to upload that into YouTube mainly. So these are the speeds that I had before. Let me show you the speeds that I had before, and then I'm going to show you the speeds that I'm actually experiencing now, which is pretty fast, very close to what was promised, which is 100 megabytes up and down. So because I've been using this app for quite a while, I can actually show you guys what I used to get prior to upgrading into Fibre. So as you can see, 2017, I have a couple of 2017's connection speeds here, and as you can see at Wi-Fi connection, it's not LTE, which is the cell tower connection or the cell phone providers connection. But as you can see, I used to experience this 2 megabytes down, 3 megabytes up, as you can see, and this was really low for uploading files into YouTube, especially when they are big files. But now if I can just show you guys a quick test here of the internet that I'm using currently. Let's run it. Actually, the last test that I did, as you guys can see down here, it was 97 megabytes download and 98 megabytes upload. So with this speed, I basically can upload 1 gig files in around 1 minute or even less sometimes. So let's just run a quick speed test for me to show you guys how fast this thing actually is, apart from the speeds that you could see down there. So this is what I'm getting on Wi-Fi. Now imagine on cable, which is the main PC that is connected, so it's connected under an Ethernet cable, and I get much better speeds in terms of that. So yeah, as you can see, the upload speeds went a little bit down compared to previous tests, but the difference is not that much. And this is what's good about Fibre. And normally when they tell you that they'll give you 100 megabytes line, if you're not getting at least 95, then I think that's a really bad connection. But as you can see, I'm getting now, the upload actually went a little bit up. I'm on 198 and it's gonna be around 97. So yeah, 97.39 upload time. So now, because I'm using Fibre, I don't get those latencies, I don't get problems when it's raining or when there's thunderstorms outside, which is pretty good. So I want to know from you guys, which connection do you have, or which packages do you have, and what speeds do you have? Are you using uncapped or are you still capped? I really hated being capped, because most of the time you would need to do something, and even before the month ends, you find out that your data is finished. And even when I was using some uncapped connection, especially through the Telkom ADSL line, they will tell you that it's uncapped, but they will throttle you. So around when I used to reach around 100 megabytes, 100 gigabytes of data consumption, they will throttle my line, and I would be getting speeds of around 0 point something megabytes, which was really low. And the only thing I could do with that speeds was maybe use my WhatsApp, or actually that's it. I could only use my WhatsApp with that kind of speed. But now I'm experiencing how the internet is meant to actually be. So let me know what you guys are using down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching this video. This is gonna be it for this short video, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'll get you guys on the next video. Peace.